Hello guys, welcome to Virtual Voyage. Today we are going to see how the zoom in and zoom out effect works while recording the screen. First go to Google. Then search for Zoom It by Microsoft. Click on the result. Go to the website. Download it. It will get downloaded into a zip folder. Please unzip the files. Run the program, and the application gets installed. It has 5 options. Zoom, Live Zoom, Draw, Type, and Break. You can zoom in by pressing Ctrl and number 1 keys. To live zoom, please press Ctrl plus number 4 key. To draw anything, the keys are Ctrl plus number 2. And for the break, it is Ctrl plus number 3. Enjoy your screen recordings with Zoom It application.